Hello, my dear fellow day traders. Welcome to 28th December 2018's pre-open analysis. SGX Nifty is showing 88.5 points down move. There is a reason for it. US markets have done pretty bad for itself yesterday. DowJones slides 351.98 points, 147 points down on Nasdaq and 39.2 points down on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets to open in red to deep red in today's pre-open session. Indian markets have delivered quite a blow yesterday. There was a huge up move in the market. There was a gap up followed by the up move in the yesterday's session. The end of yesterday's session was 10,967, which was almost very near to 11,000. 11,000 is almost on the cards. However, there may be a small dip in today's market and probably a recovery in today's session itself, or probably in tomorrow's session. Let's see. 11,000 is very soon on the cards and it will be a strong resistance for the market though, but 11,000 is inevitable for the market because it is above the 200-day simple moving average and the momentum is great because of the 200-day simple moving average. As of now, Indian markets are up for a treat. 11,000 is a very strong resistance. Above that, 11,087 is a very strong resistance for the Indian market, which is the Fibonacci retracement. And above that, 11,100 and 11,150 levels or 11,170 levels are very strong resistances for Indian markets. Below, what are the supports we have to watch out for? 11,900 seems to be a very strong support for Indian markets. Below that, 10,900 seems to be a very strong support for Indian markets. Below that, 10,880 is a very strong support. Below that, we have to look at 10,850, 10,832, 10,770 levels, 10,728 levels, 10,707 levels, 10,672 are strong supports for Indian market. Indian markets see a good MACD and the momentum is great, and the fast stochastic and slow stochastic has proven again that when it reaches the level above 90, it seems to be in the overbought zone. So today we may see a small dip in Indian markets or probably a big dip as well. We don't know yet. However, there will be a dip in today's market and fast stochastic and slow stochastic will come down below the level of 90 so that the markets can go upwards again. This is the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you like this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. There will be 3 strategies which will be taught on the session happening on 29th and 30th December 2018 in Residency Road 91 Springboards Academy. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.
And now I know